So the next question is about question number 6. In cell H4, enter a formula to calculate the percentage change in the number of visitors between 2014 and 15. So here we have to calculate the percentage change, that is by taking the difference between 2015 and 14 and then divide it by 2014. That will give you the percentage change. So it's again another formula. So click on type equal, then E4 minus G4 then I have to give a bracket since I'm going to divide it by G4 to get the percentage change. This will give you the percentage change. Yeah, now it should be a percentage, so you can format it later by going to format. So I'll show you for this. Yeah, percentage. Yeah, so you can change it to percentage by formatting the cells. Now the next is replicate the formula entered in step 4 to 6. So I have to copy down the formula. This one, you can see this is copied, and this should be copied, and this also should be copied. Now you can see here the cell references are getting changed. Now apply appropriate formatting to your spreadsheet. So for that, first is you have to check about if there is any currency values, and that's already a percentage is already given there, so there is nothing much about formatting the cells, I guess. So next is save your spreadsheet. Print the spreadsheet showing the formula. Make sure it is in landscape. So first we have to show it in formula, so we have to go for formulas and then show formulas. So you can see all the formulas are visible now here, and now expand it properly so that everything is fully visible, and wherever the extra spaces are there will get decreased, and it should be in landscape. I think it's already in landscape now. Yeah, it's already in landscape. Now then the row and column headings are displayed. The contents of all cells are fully visible. So everything is visible now. We need to just show the rows and columns in the print preview. Yeah, so file, print, we can go to page setup, sheet, and tick mark this row and columns heading. So you can see this is visible now, column letters and the row numbers. There are 2 pages. We don't need to do the scaling here because they haven't asked, and not only that, if you do, or if you fit it to 1 page, maybe the formulas will not be visible, so it may reduce your marks. So better if they don't ask for scaling, go for the pages. So there are 1 to 2 pages, and then you can take the printout. Now next is make sure your name, sender number. Yeah, so we have to check it in the print review. Yeah, here the headline and footer is there, the header is also there, so let's make sure. Now print after this first printout, the next is by showing the values. Print all of the spreadsheet showing the values. It fits on a single portrait page, so we have to go back to values by clicking on show formulas again. So now these are the values. I need to expand it so that everything is fully visible. Now the row and column headings are not displayed, the contents are fully visible. So I have to take the printout by not displaying this row and column heading. So go to page setup, sheet, and unmark it, click OK. I have to take this page now. This is only 1 page, 1 printout, and the name, sender number, everything is visible. So that's about the second printout. Now new data has just arrived for Barbados in March and the British Virgin Islands in April. Edit the data in the spreadsheet to show these changes. That means the destination got changed to Barbados, and month March 2015, extra visitors 70041. So the destination is Barbados here, and that month is March 2015. So yeah, so in Barbados this is January to Feb, so we have to change that to January to March, and then months 3, and then visitors for this period of 2015, extra visitors. So we have to add 70041 there. I'll just use this method because 70041 70041, yes, 041. So that is 26561. I don't want to say the formulas again there, that's the reason I changed it. So average visitors changed and this also changed. Okay, now British Virgin Islands. So here British Virgin Islands, and then I have to change this to April, and then this will change to 4, and extra visitor 68457. Seven one nine two nine eight 719,298. So we added the new data, print all of the spreadsheet showing the formula it fits on a portrait, and the row and column headings are not displayed. So the same thing, you have to take the printout again because you updated the data. So this is the third printout. Now in cell E24, okay, so it's not done. Now in cell E24, a function to calculate the total number of visitors to all destinations in 2015 in cell E24. So here we have to calculate the total number of visitors in all. Yeah, that's just the auto sum, but I'm going to use a function here, equal sum total number of visitors. So this is the total number of visitors. In cell E25, enter a function to calculate the average number of visitors to all destinations in 2015.